Yeah.
So I done walked a bit. And I just happened to show you right there. You see a construction site. So you understand the ground is rough in certain areas. Those gravels, that gravel is in different places. Sometimes there's water, sometimes there's moisture, sometimes, well, there's all types of obstacles. There's all types of obstacles, and there's all types of terrain that's uncomfortable or so-called uncomfortable, and also could just be not what you want in the mood. Because I wouldn't necessarily want my feet moist right now. Now you asking me why am I talking? It's because I don't have on any shoes. And it's not because I can't afford any shoes. It's because you need to walk on the ground. And if you happen to live in an urban society where you do not have the benefit of walking in dirt and grass, and you don't find yourself wanting to be familiar with the parks, you still got to get out there and walk on it. That means if you got to walk on the hard concrete, you got to do that. You know what I'm saying? But you have to actually use your feet on the ground, because your feet are supposed to interact with the earth. The little bumpy grid things. Right now it's sitting on smooth, but you know what I'm saying? I've walked throughout the city from one end to another, and that may be considered a beating on the feet, but it's really not. It's a beating on your feet if you haven't developed your feet. Now, I'm not putting this forth to tell you about the benefits of using your actual feet. I'm here to tell you about the mental development that's going on, because one, your mind is going to now be aware of all these senses in your feet. Two, you're going to actually see all of the things that you may watch out for or don't watch out for. You're going to really understand what that is now. And then your quick-wittedness to actually now navigate. You're going to navigate the streets in a different way, in a different manner. You're going to actually be aware of things a hell of a lot more than when you walk around regular. And I once, you know what I'm saying, I put it forth how, no, you cannot stick a bag of sneakers in your bag, in and out, because you're not learning the lesson, because whenever it becomes uncomfortable, you just toss them out. And let's say you're disciplined enough that you keep them in your bag. They're still there, so you got that idea that you can fall back and put them on. So when you navigate, you're not navigating, because there's a way that you will not go. When you got shoes on, you'll be like, oh well, you know what I'm saying. So you never really learned the lesson, because there's a lesson behind this on top of the physical lesson you get. That's Atlantic Avenue. I was gonna go down that way, but it's smooth probably. It's more smooth. So I'm about to walk up a back street. So the cobblestones, the beat up sidewalks, and all of them things that you complain about, oh yeah, your feet need to bend and curve all over that. It's helping the flexibility of your feet, one. It's also helping the strength to fortify the structure of your feet. by helping it not be soft. So, and then you also give structure to your feet, because your feet are not supposed to be blobs. Some of you may be good and decent, have good, decent feet, so you don't really understand what I'm talking about. But if you took a walk with just your feet, not sandals, not slippers, flip-flops, but your actual feet, just took a walk, you would be surprised how sensitive your feet might be, because you may not walk too far. I told you I didn't walk the whole city. So now, that's not a couple of blocks. You take your shoes off, you may only be able to walk a couple of blocks. How you doing, brother? The elders. Speak with the elders. See, it look a little moist right there. It's not moist. But, oh, well, you can see on the side. When you see the sidewalk, you don't know where there's going to be a spill. You got to keep it moving. Now, your intelligence will help you navigate through that moisture so that you don't wet your feet. But what if you're in the bathroom? I've been in the bathroom before. Didn't get my feet wet. That's because my mind took me to a place. You know what I'm saying? Where I was able to use my intelligence to beware. How you do? To beware of these obstacles. Because all of these are also excuses on why you need to put shoes on. To keep yourself away from the dirty world. Or what if this? Oh my gosh, the icky things in the world. That's why I'm wearing socks. And that's the key thing. Toss on some socks. And then you ain't got to worry about if you feel something is nasty or not. Toss on them socks. They're just, what's that? Socks. You can buy a couple and throw them away. So there ain't no excuse for you to not go forth and use your actual feet. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of people have weak feet because they don't actually put their feet on the ground. And that's I'm trying to keep the sidewalk in play, but that's just the basic premise of it. People don't use their feet, so they don't actually get to build up their feet. And if you put your feet on the ground, that would be even better. But hey, you know what I'm saying? Maybe you looking at me and you think it's not what it is. I done took this walk. You see, I done took this walk. Pardon me. But yeah, I'm not going to talk too much more about it. I'll get into it later. But that's the point there, you know what I'm saying? Your feet, you need to build them up. I'm going to get at you. I got things I got to do. Maintain your feet. Maintain your feet.